I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to clear the Facebook in-app browser cache in the Facebook mobile app. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device, and then tap the menu icon on this screen. Step 2. Tap the settings icon on the menu screen. The settings icon looks like a gear. Step 3. Navigate down to the Preferences section and then tap Browser. The browser settings screen opens. Step 4. Tap Clear next to Cookies and Cache. A window pops up asking if you're sure you want to clear the Facebook in-app browser, cookies, and cache. Step 5. Tap Clear. The cookies and cache for the Facebook in-app browser on your mobile device will be cleared immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.